Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is lecture series 10 non-conventional energy sources dealing with PV cells and solar distillation. Come, let's go into the video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment. So we all know about photovoltaic cell. Now here in this video we'll be seeing about the solar electric power generation by PV cells. So here you can see the P region and N region which has holes and electrons, and there are some grid formation where the sunlight is focused on the grid formation which is going to absorb the complete solar radiation through the grids. Now this PVC, that is photovoltaic cell, is we know that it converts the photons into light energy or voltage or to the electricity. So the material used for this is silicon. So silicon has four valence electron in its outer shell. So when the silicon is doped with any phosphorus or arsenic, which is having a valence of 5 valence electrons, then then it forms an N junction. So you have valence electron 4, and when it is doped with silicon which is having 5 electron, it forms the N region. So, and there is one negatively charged electron which will be left over, and similarly the P junction is the one which is formed by doping the silicon with boron, because boron is having 3 valence electron in its outer shell. So it creates a positively charged hole. So this positively charged hole will attract the negatively charged electrons from the top layer, and through this an external load is connected to the cell. So positive and negative layer, when it is attracting with each other, it forms a load across it, and because of that, when the solar energy falling on the PV cells will be absorbed by the load, and there is an electricity that is being generated, right? So now after generating electric power through PV cells, now we'll be seeing about solar distillation. So solar distillation, here you can see there is an impure water and there is an insulation at the bottom of the impure water, and the sun is falling on the impure water. So now what is solar distillation? It is nothing but, see, potable or any fresh water is the fundamental necessity of a life. It is not even a potable. Fresh water is obviously necessary for a man. So the industries and agriculture started requiring some fresh water, because without water, not even man, human beings, or animals or birds, they cannot survive. So what happened is man went in search of rivers, lakes, underground water reservoirs, all these. So only when they went in search of all these, they can fulfill their needs. So they can use the solar energy for desalinating seawater. And so there are several size plans. There are several methods that solar distillation can happen. So here you can see a basin, that is, it is a simple basin type solar, where it has a shallow blackened basin filled with saline or brackish water to distill. So here you can see this is saline. Okay, so the depth of the water can be 5 to 10 centimeter. It is what we assume. So it is completely covered by a transparent roof, and the solar radiation which is passing through this roof is absorbed by the blackened surface of the basin, and thus once it is absorbed, the temperature across it started increasing. So the water temperature also starts increasing. So the evaporated water, now water vapor you can see, so the evaporated water, it increases the moisture content, so which will get condensed on the cooler which is kept aside. Okay, so this condensed vapor it will slip down to the slope, and it is collected through a channel attached to the glass. So here you can see, once the water vapor is going down, it is condensed again, the impure water, it is getting down and it is collected in the glass. So solar distillation is performed like this. So you have an impure, sunlight is passing, because of that the water gets heated, it forms a water vapor, and it is again condensed and collected in a glass tube. So this is nothing but water distillation. Hope you have understood. Please stay tuned for more information. Thank you.